Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change my email address on AliExpress. Here's how you can change your email address in AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is to launch a browser, any browser of your choice, and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. In the website, click on the account icon at the top right corner and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, hover over the account icon again at the top right corner, and you're going to see a drop-down menu with a couple of options, which include My Orders, My Coins, Message Sender, Payments, Wish List, My Coupons, Senders, Settings, AliExpress Business, Dear Sender, all the way down to Accessibility. Now, in here, go ahead and click on Settings, and that's going to open up your account settings window. Over here in these settings, you have a couple of categories, which include personal information, security information, activate email notifications, privacy, safety filter, and social media account. Now head over to the security information tab. Under the security information tab, you're going to see a couple of hyperlinks, including change email address, change password, and set security cluster. Now go ahead and click on change email address, and it's going to take you right into a different tab where you can now follow the prompts to change your mail. The first prompt is to verify your current email. So head over to your email and check the 6-digit code sent to you. Now remember that the countdown is getting lower. Now once you enter the 6-digit code and click on verify, that's going to be it. So it's going to take you to an option, or it's going to open up a window where you can now change your email, all right, by inputting your new email address in the designated field. After entering the new email address, it's just going to be it. So AliExpress may require you to verify your new email address. That's the new email address that you added. So check your inbox for a verification email and follow the instructions provided. Once you have verified your new email address, return to the AliExpress account settings to ensure the update is reflected. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your email address has been successfully changed. So by following the steps, you should be able to change your email address on AliExpress. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial methodically helped you search.